The world is evolving faster than ever. AI and machine learning are now everyday essentials. From simple to advanced automation, they make life easier and connect us to the future. In this connected world, one name supports industries worldwide. Janatics. Our journey began in a modest workspace with two ambitious technocrats who reimagined the path for industrial automation. From those humble beginnings, they built a legacy of innovation, developing high-quality pneumatic products. Over the decades, Janatics evolved into a trusted partner in modern manufacturing through a customer-centric approach. Janatics' central manufacturing facility in Coimbatore spans across more than 130,000 square meters. Equipped with technologically advanced machinery and best-in-class infrastructure. This includes advanced machining centers and special-purpose machinery, ensuring shortest throughput times. Our expanding family of companies strengthens our capabilities through strong backward integration across multiple domains, including modern aluminum die casting, high-precision solenoid coil manufacturing, durable polyurethane tubing, regional manufacturing facilities in Ahmedabad and Noida ensure faster response and seamless support to industries across their respective regions. Janatics is driving a committed, decisive shift towards a sustainable future, actively advancing India's net zero 2070 mission through solar, wind, and green campus initiatives. Our journey has taken us far beyond pneumatics. Now we advance into robotics and cobots for intelligent collaboration, electrical actuators for precise motion control, vacuum solutions for effortless pick and place, advanced air management and piping systems with online monitoring. We develop custom systems for railways, defense, and aerospace, turnkey projects and technical services from concept to commissioning, ensuring excellence in every solution we deliver that transforms the way industries operate. At Janatics, we complement technology with knowledge. Our centers of excellence deliver hands-on learning, bridging theory and practice in collaboration with top institutions and leading industries across the automation ecosystem. Our R&D division is powered by strong in-house tool design, analysis, and tool room capabilities, enabling us to launch a wide array of standard pneumatic products. We uphold the highest standards of quality, safety, and environmental responsibility with CE A-Tech certifications. At the heart of our innovation stands the Janatics Experience Center, a space where technology and imagination come together. Here, every solution comes alive, allowing customers to see, feel, and experience automation in motion. Our integrated management system keeps the entire customer journey effortless, guiding every step from planning to delivery. A strong domestic and international dealer network brings our products closer to every customer through branches and stock points. Through dedicated solution teams and on-ground presence at major expos, we listen, understand, and support our customers. Our success rests on 4 pillars. The trust of our customers, a dedicated team, strong vendors, and committed partners. Janatics is committed to being a global company, driving automation excellence across industries. Janatics, setting standards in excellence.